Samabula. And Merry Christmas. And God bless you.
God bless you too, President.
Good to see you. How are you? Hi. What's your name? God bless you.
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm okay. What's your name?
My name is Seti Raj.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Thank you, thank you.
I like your hat.
Thank you very much.
How are you? Hey. May God bless you. Okay? What is the age of your oldest patient?
99, sir.
99.
That's one of the female residents.
So next year, it's a he or she?
She.
It's a she.
Yes.
So you're going to celebrate your 100?
We will.
You will?
Sir.
I'd like to come and attend that. Hindi mo nang ready. Isang belum nak. How are you? Yung belum nak. Merry Christmas. Hey, visited by the relatives at all?
Out of the 52, only about 4 people have been visited by the relatives.
That is sad. Very sad. Hey. Kalau mata jisu tu, wait, menikah mata jisu. When you turn 100, I'd like to come to the birthday. Hey, you see? That'll be next year sometime. Hey.
She is a vegetarian.
She's a vegetarian.
Only have 2 meals in a day.
You know, I'm an SDA, you know, the health message is quite clear. Now, we're promoting a doc, you know, the government's wellness program. Good to see somebody, you know, vegetarian. She's lived. Moni nang belum malam, moni atau mana bagi nuhan raum begitu mai dua take moni nang. God bless you. God bless you. Apa lagi? Welcome, Mama. This side, behind you.
I would like to extend to you, sir, our sincere gratitude and appreciation for making this visit this morning. It's a reflection of your humility, your dedication, and the love that you continue to show towards the less fortunate members in our society. And I'm sure they all agree with me in expressing their sincere appreciation for this very privileged occasion, reflecting on the most precious gift from our Heavenly Father.
Like me.
Iya, ni Samabula binaksak.
I'm sure we've met before, but anyway, so good to see you again. There we go. Doc, come, sir. We can take photo, eh? Sure. This is the top. This is a very healthy meal.
Yes.
I see you promoting the wellness program.
Wellness program, yeah.
Good man. I like that.
Our old mental health act, there was a suspension.
Okay.
These are some of the prints are made by the patients.
On the wall painting. Good artists, Rania Doc.
Sir?
You got some good artists. Over here.
Thanks.
Oh, he wants to meet. May want chance. President.
And it's really a boost to us for a moral boost to be you to be here. And so for our patients also, as you can see their happy faces. And they're really very happy to see you here. Thank you, sir, for coming.
On behalf of my team and on behalf of government, I'd like to first of all thank the superintendent and his hardworking staff for looking after you so well. over the last months, some of them, and years for most of them. And on behalf of government, I'd like to acknowledge and thank the board for your hard work over the years in trying to get things done. I've noted your concern about the kitchen, and I've noted the allocation of government, the 1.2 million that you're talking about, and I'm glad to see the work being done. This is not going to be my first and only visit. I intend to keep coming back because I'm interested in your well-being. Now, as the head of state, we are very concerned about the social and welfare well-being of every Fijian in this nation. Now, government is trying its best to improve your lot so that we can have a healthy, a happy, and a prosperous nation. And by the end of the day, the vision of government is to have one people, one nation, one destiny. Now, I've noted with great interest the comments made by the superintendent. By the end of the day, government intends to shut this institution down so we can send all of you home. We are going to play our part. You will have to play your part.
Yes, yes.
You understand me? Sando kilawan na kau tunjuk ko. Get well.
Be positive.
Exactly. So that you can all go home. Christmas is a time for family reunions. We want you to go back and spend Christmas with your folks. And be with them. As opposed to being housed here in this institution. So if government plays its part, we expect you to play your part. My plea to you is look after one another whilst you're here and take your medication and listen to the counsel given to you by your doctors or your nurses. I have been looking forward to this visit. For your information, before I came here, we were up at the Samabula Old People's Home. Now after this, we're going further down the road to visit our friends, father-in-law. Today is Christmas Eve, tomorrow is Christmas Day. Christmas is a day in which we rejoice and we think about the birth of the Lord. Now we want you to enter into that spirit of celebration with your families as opposed to being held in this institution. I have nothing good to come and thank the staff and to give you for tomorrow. Behind us over there on the table, we have a hamper. You will understand. Now we have some biscuits, we have some cookies, we have some sweets, we have some cakes, and I think we have some fruits. This is something to help you with your party tomorrow that the superintendent will be talking about. So I hope you enjoy it. It comes with our prayers and our best wishes that you will get well and go home. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
So on that note, I'd like to wish each and every one of you Merry Christmas and a peaceful and a more healthy and prosperous New Year. Now, may God bless you all.
It's an honor. We only see you on television with a big smile going around.
It's very hard to smile.
Yeah. And anyway, I just want to thank you, sir, for your time. I really want to thank you. I realize that you have a very busy schedule, and time is so precious. Time and tide wait for no man. Saying the book of Proverbs. And I wish you encourage the best this festive season. And may you see many good days while you work in your office in Government House.